Blue's Clues. Blue's Egg Hunt. Hi there. You're here just in time. Blue and I were just about to head off to the spring fair on this lovely day. Would you like to come with us? Great! Let's go! Periwinkle, what are you doing here? I'm bored. There's nothing to do today. Nothing to do? But it's a beautiful spring day. What's so great about spring? What's so great about spring? Well, there are flowers and blue sky and birds and hey, I have an idea. Why don't you come with us to the spring fair? Will there be a magic show there? I don't know about that, but I'm sure there'll be lots of other cool things to do. Come on, let's go. We're here. Oh, I almost forgot. Keep a lookout for hidden eggs. We're going to try to win the egg hunt this year, and we could really use your help. Cool! Looking for hidden things is almost like magic, and I love magic. So, what should we do first? I know. Let's go to the first booth we see. So, which one is that? Yeah, the leaf printing booth. Cool! I love making leaf prints. And it looks like they have all of our favorite colors of paint to use too. Green, blue, and periwinkle. And I want to use a big round leaf for my print. Good idea, Periwinkle. And Blue and I like using long, thin leaves. Can you help us find the perfect leaves to make our leaf prints? Those are some great leaves you picked out. How do our leaf prints look? Let's take them home and put them up on the refrigerator. Oh, I almost forgot. Did you find any eggs yet? You did? Great. Let's see if we can find some more. Hey, what's over there? A spring hat stand. My favorite. Let's go. Wow, look at all of these homemade hats. Since this is your first spring fair, Periwinkle, you should choose first. What animal do you want to be? Well, I've always wanted to fly. How about an animal that can fly? Sounds good to me. And I think I'll be a rabbit. What does Blue want to be? Oh, Blue wants to be a duck. So we need a rabbit hat, a duck hat, and a hat for an animal that flies. Can you find hats for us? So this is what it feels like to be a rabbit. Hey, a garden! We can help plant a garden. I've always wanted to do that. I think Periwinkle is starting to like springtime. What about you? By the way, did you find any more eggs? Whoever finds the most hidden eggs gets a prize at the end of the fair. So let's keep looking. I want to grow some tomatoes. And I'll plant some carrots. 'Cause you know, rabbits love carrots. How about you, Blue? Lettuce? Sounds good to me. Can you help us find the seeds that we need to plant our garden? Hey, Periwinkle, Blue, come on over. We're about to announce the winner of the egg hunt contest. It looks like Purple Kangaroo and Green Puppy have the most eggs so far, 11 eggs. So, if we have more than 11 eggs, we'll win the contest. Do we have enough eggs to win? We did it! Great job! Thanks for your help finding all those eggs. And look what we won! A garden kit! Periwinkle, let's plant a garden in your backyard so you can enjoy a little bit of spring every day. My own garden? All right! I bet we could use some help planting the garden. Maybe Purple Kangaroo and Green Puppy could come over too. What a great garden! Hey, thanks for all your help today, especially on our egg hunt. Happy spring! watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Stay safe, everyone. We'll see you next time.